not to. Whoa, I'm twisting the rules. For the fire and the fuel. When I'm packing a punch and it's knocking my track and I'm not turning back on that.
The new Mi 10 with 108 megapixel quad camera. Xiaomi.
Mid back and lengthen from the lower back.
Bruno!
वो मेरा है।
Bruno!
इसका है उसका है किसका है ना जाने इसका है उसका है किसका है ना जाने
किसका है?
ये पूछो किसका नहीं है।
जब मिले पैच वॉल विद 20+ एंटरटेनमेंट एप्स, विविड पिक्चर इंजन और इंडिया भर सर्विस, आपका भी चॉइस होगा मी टीवी, इंडियाज नंबर 1 स्मार्ट टीवी।
the darkness and into the fire. Out of the darkness and into the fire. Yesterday's waiting into the hands of fate, while destiny waits in the fire.
Il me semble que ce matin le soleil, la fin de l'insouciance. Il me semble que ce matin le ciel voudrait prolonger l'essence. Tu ris et tu joues avec un éventail te fichant de la fin de l'été. Tu t'impatientes déjà de la rentrée. Il me semble jusqu'à l'été prochain.
and make it rock, yes.
This isn't just Chaplin nibbling on a ball. This is a moment that'll pass. Unless it's captured for life. Making it a timeless memory. Get portrait-ready pictures with a 108 megapixel camera on the new Mi 10. Mi 10. Memories made timeless.
Oh wow, looks like I've hit my fitness goal for the day. Hi guys, welcome to the third edition of Smarter Living. Today, we're going to launch many new consumer IoT products here in India. Many people think of Xiaomi as a smartphone company. We're of course a smartphone brand. We are one of the largest and one of the fastest growing brands across the world. But we are also a consumer IoT platform. In fact, probably the biggest one. As we speak, we have more than 300 million consumer IoT products across the world. 300 million. So this means 30 crore people have bought an MI consumer IoT product across the world. And we have been launching many of them here in India. We started few years ago by launching our first Mi Band here. Then we launched smart routers, smart air purifier, smart water purifier, and 2 years ago we launched our smart TVs called as Mi TVs. And beginning of this year, we launched our flagship Mi Notebook for all our Mi fans in India. And I'm super thrilled to say that we are entering a brand new category today. So unveiling our first smartwatch in India, and we are calling it Mi Watch Revolve. Before we launch any new product, we run a lot of consumer surveys with our Mi fans asking, one, which product should we launch, and within this product, what are the features that they would love to see. After we launched Mi TV, the number one request was to launch laptops in India that we fulfilled in the beginning of this year. And since then, every single survey showed that our Mi fans want us to launch smartwatches here in India. And when we asked what are the features that you would like to see in a smartwatch, our Mi fans said they want a beautiful watch, they need a great display, all the smart features, and within that specifically fitness and sports tracking, heart rate sensor. They need a watch which is waterproof or water resistant, and yes, they need a slim watch but with a great battery life. So let's see if Mi Watch Revolve can satisfy the needs of all our Mi fans in India. Let's start with the design. Mi Watch Revolve is very beautiful and elegant. It comes in two different colors, midnight black with space black straps and chrome silver with Neptune blue straps. The silicone straps are durable and comfortable on the skin. We also have few more strap variants depending upon your personal taste. These includes the Astral Olive, Cosmic Dust Maroon, and a really cool leather strap in midnight black, which will be available on mi.com very soon. These straps are very easy to change. You can choose any of the 5 straps based on your personal taste or the outfit that you are wearing. For example, I've used the space black strap with the chrome silver watch. Mi Watch Revolve comes with a stainless steel casing, which makes it very beautiful and elegant, and it comes with a massive dial. The entire dial is 46 mm wide. The diameter is 46 mm, which is approximately 1.8 inches. About 8-9 years ago, my wife gifted me my first smartphone, and that was 2.1 inches. So yes, Mi Watch Revolve is almost as big as my first smartphone. You can read everything on it very comfortably. And even though the body is made of stainless steel and it is a big dial, yet it is very light and comfortable to wear the entire day. Now let's talk about display. Mi Watch Revolve comes with an AMOLED display which makes it very bright and vivid. When we asked our Mi fans, this is something that everybody asked for. They wanted a display where they can read notifications and content even during daytime. And we have tried to ensure this with Mi Watch Revolve. Mi Watch Revolve comes with a brightness level of 450 nits, which is similar to what we provide in our mid-premium phones. Remember, last year we launched Redmi Note 7 Pro, which was probably one of the best-selling smartphones in India, and that had a brightness level of 450 nits. And we are providing a similar brightness level with a smartwatch Mi Watch Revolve. It also comes with auto brightness adjustment. You can either choose that setting or you can change the brightness level manually. We are introducing a new feature on Mi Watch Revolve, and that is Smart Always On Display. Whenever you're wearing the watch on your wrist, the display will be always on, and when you take it off and keep it on the table, it will know that you're not wearing it and the display will be switched off, and hence giving you a great battery life. And one of my favorite features about the display is its quality. It comes with Gorilla Glass 3, which makes it scratch resistant. And Mi Watch Revolve comes with more than 100 watch faces, 112 to be precise. And we are also adding a lot of India-specific watch faces. So depending upon what your mood is, where you're going, your clothes, you can choose a strap and a matching watch face. We also encourage all our Mi fans to design watch faces and send those entries to us. If we like that watch face, we are going to include that in our Xiaomi Wear app. Eventually, we want to have thousands of watch faces so that you can choose from any of them depending upon your mood and the occasion. So with a sleek and stylish body made out of stainless steel, 2 different colors, 5 different colored straps and hundreds of watch faces, you can be assured that Mi Watch Revolve will always make you look good. Nowadays, all of us are working from home and it can be very tiring. It feels like we are always at work and our days seem longer, and it can put a lot of pressure on us. We cannot go out to exercise and our stress levels can go really high. And that's where Mi Watch Revolve steps in to help all of us. I'm happy to share Mi Watch Revolve is one of the first few smartwatches in the country to come with First Beat algorithm. For those of you guys who do not know, First Beat is one of the world's leading provider of physiological analytics, which is used for sports and wellness. This algorithm is used by some of the world's leading athletes and the sports team for tracking their sports and mental wellness. And we are bringing this algorithm to India with Mi Watch Revolve. Mi Watch Revolve helps you track your fitness and well-being by providing advanced metrics such as heart rate variability, sleep tracking, stress level and energy level. Now, heart rate tracking and sleep tracking was available on fitness bands such as Mi Band that we launched many years ago. But Mi Watch Revolve brings many additional features such as heart rate variability, stress level and energy level. Let's talk about each one of them. Heart rate variability, it not only measures your heartbeat but also intervals between consecutive heartbeats and helps track heart health and overall fitness. Sleep quality, to accurately measure and ensure that you get adequate sleep distribution, that is REM and non-REM sleep. This helps ensure you recover energy sufficiently from sleep. We are also introducing energy level with Mi Watch Revolve to estimate the energy gained and lost through the day and plan your body resources better. Energy is measured by a combination of tracking sleep, workouts, daily activities, and heart rate variability. Stress. Nowadays, our stress levels could be very high, and Mi Watch Revolve helps maintain your mental well-being and efficiency for your work or study. Stress is measured by studying your heart rate variability and activity. The algorithm negates readings from stress induced from physical activity or workouts to maintain precision. So Mi Watch provides you all the key data points and help you maintain overall health whether you are at home or outside. And for all our Mi fans who are more fitness conscious, Mi Watch Revolve also provides leading indicators such as VO2 max and training effect. VO2 max is the leading measure of cardiorespiratory health and a great indicator of your overall fitness level. Training effect measures the overall quality of your workout and ensures you do not go to the extreme and do not cause more harm than good. It also comes with additional details of recovery time required, energy consumed, average heart rate, calories burned, speed during workout, and much more. And for all the sports enthusiasts, we also have 10 specialized sports modes in Mi Watch Revolve. So whether you're running outside, running on a treadmill, you're cycling, or even swimming, we have you covered. This also means Mi Watch Revolve is waterproof up to 50 meters. So you can take your Mi Watch Revolve for a shower or for swimming, and you can be assured that nothing will happen to your Mi Watch Revolve. Now let's talk about the other smart features on Mi Watch Revolve. This is a smartwatch and comes with GPS and GLONASS integrated in this. This means you don't need to carry your smartphone when you go out for exercising or for running. you can just carry your Mi Watch Revolve. All the data will be stored in your watch and it will be transferred to your phone when you sync it with the Xiaomi Wear app. It also has a host of other smart features such as managing music, managing calls, reading notifications and setting alarms. And not just this, over the next few months, we're going to launch many more smart features and we will push this through an OTA update. This is an IoT device which connects through your smartphone using the brand new Xiaomi Wear app. We have an open ecosystem, which means you can use this device with not only Xiaomi phones, but with any Android and iOS phone. You can download the Xiaomi Wear app through Google Play Store, and you can also find it on iOS App Store with the name Xiaomi Wear Lite. So just download the app and get a host of smart features including your workout summary, force beat scores, managing your calls, music and a lot more. Now let's talk about battery, something which is very important for all smartwatch users. When we spoke to our Mi fans, we found out this was the #1 complaint. People bought smartwatches but stopped using very soon because they had to charge it again and again. If you look at some of the leading smartwatches, they only last for a day or two, and this is something which is not a common user behavior for most of our Mi fans. And we are trying to solve this with Mi Watch Revolve. Battery has always been a big focus area for us. If you remember Mi Band from the beginning, we've always provided a battery life of 2 to 3 weeks, and we're trying to do something similar with Mi Watch Revolve. I'm happy to share Mi Watch Revolve comes with 1 to 2 weeks of battery life. If you're a heavy user with all the notifications always on display, it should last for a week. And if you're a light user with less number of notifications not always on display, it can go up to 2 weeks. And that is really phenomenal. I've been personally using my Mi Watch Revolve and I can tell all of you guys this is one of my favorite features. So this is the brand new Mi Watch Revolve for all our India Mi fans. The case is made of stainless steel, which makes it very beautiful and elegant. It comes in 2 different colors, midnight black and chrome silver. It has 5 strap options and hundreds of watch faces. This is a smart watch and one of the very few watches to come with first beat algorithm. It can help you track all your mental and physical well-being. It also helps you manage your calls, music, notifications, alarms, and a lot more. It has 10 different sports modes and this is waterproof. And one of my favorite features, it has an excellent battery life of 1 to 2 weeks. So let's look at some of the competition smartwatches. These are some of the best-selling smartwatches available in the country. We have 2 of them with first beat algorithm, which is Amazfit Stratos 3 and Huawei GT2 Sports, and 2 other smartwatches without first beat algorithm, which is Huawei GT2e and Honor Magic Watch 2. All of them come with a stainless steel body, but only one of them come with Gorilla Glass 3, and Huawei GT2 Sports come with an AMOLED display similar to Mi Watch Revolve. So you can see Mi Watch Revolve brings the latest in the best specs with stainless steel body, Gorilla Glass 3, 46mm AMOLED display, GPS, GLONASS and a host of other smart features. And this is one of the few watches to come with first beat algorithm. Other smartwatches with first beat algorithm cost around 14 to 15,000 rupees, and the ones without first beat algorithm cost 12,000 rupees. So what should be the price of Mi Watch Revolve? I'm happy to share we are launching Mi Watch Revolve at only 10,999 rupees, and we also have an inaugural price, an early bird offer for all our Mi fans. Anyone who buys this watch from now till Diwali can get it at only 9,999 and 99 rupees.
Time, the revolution of our planet around a star, governing every atom in the cosmos. Time has evolved to the Mi Watch Revolve. With a gorgeous smart display and a design that's built to last, Revolve is all you need to perform at the top of your game. It uses first beat algorithm and analyzes your heart rate to determine your fitness, manage stress levels, and track sleep quality to ensure you stay focused on tasks that matter. The Mi Watch Revolve tracks your sport in real time, even underwater. And with more than 100 watch faces and sophisticated and elegant looks, you can ace play and work for up to 2 weeks before you need to charge it. The evolution of time is here. The all-new Mi Watch Revolve. It's time to evolve.
So where can you buy this amazing Mi Watch Revolve? This will be available on our e-commerce platform Mi.com, our partner platform Amazon, Mi Homes, and many of our retail stores. By the way, Mi.com has now become the third largest e-commerce platform when it comes to smartphone sales. And I must thank all our Mi fans for supporting us and making us who we are. Oh, looks like I've been sitting for too long. Time for me to go and run. But we have a lot more products lined up for you, all our Mi fans. For the next product, let me call Raghu Reddy, Mr. George Clooney of MI India. So over to you, Raghu.
Thank you, Manu. Hey guys, I'm Raghu. I'm very refreshed after my yoga session. I'm all excited to talk about the new products that we have in store for you. So let's get going. When it comes to tracking fitness the smart way, the Mi Band series has no doubt been the most popular fitness wearable in India. Right from the very first Mi Band, which got a lot of people in India acquainted to the concept of smart fitness wearables, to the Mi Smart Band 4, the Mi Band series has helped millions of folks become fitter and healthier. And with regular feedback from Mi fans, we've brought new innovations to every Mi Band we've launched. The Mi Band 1, when it was first launched in 2015, was the first of its kind. But after a few months, you guys did ask us to have a display on the Mi Band. In 2016, we launched the Mi Band 2. With the Mi Band 2, we introduced for the first time ever an OLED display with a touch button, and we also made the algorithms more accurate. With the Mi Band 3, it came with a bigger display, a much bigger 20-day battery life, and of course, the freedom to take it underwater. The Mi Smart Band 4 that we launched last year got a full color AMOLED display, which you all loved. It also came with unlimited watch faces, music control, and 6 workout modes. The Mi Band series has been the most popular fitness wearable series in India with over a 50% market share for close to 3 years, and it has helped millions of folks keep track of their fitness, sleep, heart rate, and even calls and messages. Its popularity has transcended age groups, and we have happy customers who are 60 plus as well as under the age of 15. And today, we are very happy to introduce the latest iteration in the series, the Mi Smart Band 5. We've made significant improvements when it comes to the hardware on the Mi Smart Band 5, and on the software, you will see the biggest update ever on a Mi Band. Talking about hardware upgrades, let's talk about the display. It is bigger, brighter, and more colorful. The Mi Smart Band 5 has the biggest display yet on a Mi Band. It has a 1.1 inch full color AMOLED display, which is approximately 20% more display area compared to the Mi Smart Band 4. Everything is now easier and better to see on your Mi Smart Band 5, even under bright, harsh sunlight with a brightness level of 450 nits, which is much more than the 400 nits that you saw on the Mi Smart Band 4. Mi fans, we know how much you love to customize any piece of tech that you own from Mi. The Mi Smart Band 5 comes with unlimited watch faces. You can also customize your watch face by uploading any picture of your choice using the Mi Fit app. There is more when it comes to customization. You got 5 wonderful colors to choose from for your strap, which are the 5 colors: black, navy blue, teal, purple and orange. While you never had to charge the Mi Band as often, all thanks to the long battery life, we did receive feedback that charging the Mi Band was a task in itself. With the Mi Smart Band 5, happy to introduce magnetic charging, another big hardware upgrade that I'm sure all of you would love to experience. No hassle, no need to remove the capsule from the strap. All you got to do is snap it on. It's that simple. Talking about charging, the Mi Smart Band 5 takes less than 2 hours to charge fully and can go on for 2 weeks on the normal mode and up to 3 weeks on a power saving mode. It's not just the bigger AMOLED display and magnetic charging when it comes to hardware level upgrades. We've also made a comprehensive upgrade to the PPG biosensor to enable up to 50% more accurate heart rate monitoring. Sweat, splash, shower, swim and hand wash. You don't even need to think about removing the Mi Smart Band 5. It is up to 50 meter water resistant and does not compromise on the accuracy of tracking different metrics even under the water. By now, we've got used to staying and working from home, but we really hope that it's not stopped your fitness journey. With the Mi Smart Band 5, the biggest upgrades are actually under the hood in terms of software functionality that will help you get better in your fitness journey. So the Mi Smart Band 5 comes with 11 workout modes, which is much more compared to the 6 workout modes that we had on the Mi Smart Band 4. So now you can track yoga, indoor cycling, rowing machine, outdoor cycling and elliptical, in addition to the 6 workout modes that you already had on the Mi Smart Band 4, which includes outdoor running, treadmill, jump rope, power walking, pool swimming and freestyle more accurately on your Mi Smart Band 5. The Mi Smart Band 5 also comes with an automatic activity detection for walking and running, which means you will get a notification when you're walking or running continuously that allows you to track that activity more accurately. For the very first time, we have personal activity intelligence on the Mi Smart Band 5. You would be wondering, what is PI or personal activity intelligence? The PI algorithm was derived from one of the world's largest health studies involving 45,000 people over a period of 25 years to create one simple metric that tells you how active you need to be to stay healthy. It tracks all your physical activity, heart rate, and combines it with your current personal profile to calculate your PI score on a daily basis. The more you elevate your heart rate, the more PI points you earn. Your PI score is very personal to your profile and your fitness level, and it keeps adjusting as you make progress in your fitness journey. For example, if you're just getting started, your heart rate can go significantly up just by doing a light workout, thereby earning you higher PI points. But as you progress, the algorithm adjusts to your fitness profile, making it a little more challenging to earn the same PI points. Your PI score is recalculated every single day based on your previous 7-day profile. Maintaining a PI score of 100 decreases the risk of cardiovascular disease mortality and increases your lifespan. So let me summarize PI for you in this video. It is simple, it is personalized, it tracks all activities and is intelligent. PI or personal activity intelligence is definitely one feature that will push you to exercise every single day. While the Mi Smart Band 5 definitely helps you get fitter, it also helps you in maintaining your well-being. The Mi Smart Band 5 also tracks your stress levels, and if your stress levels are high, you can also do 1 to 5 minutes of guided breathing exercises to ease your stress levels. Good sleep pattern is as important as exercise for your overall well-being. The Mi Smart Band 5 comes with a 24-hour sleep monitor that not just tracks your REM sleep but also tracks all the naps that you have during the day. Another big upgrade on the Mi Smart Band 5 is the all-new women's health tracking. This feature records the menstrual cycle and gives useful reminders beforehand. So many health metrics to track, but where do you get to see all of this? The Mi Fit app is the one place where you can set and track all your fitness goals, right from your step counts to your sleep analysis to checking your Pi score. You can also add a friend to your Mi Fit app to track each other's fitness activities. That's working out together virtually. The Mi Fit app works seamlessly across both Android and iOS. The Mi Smart Band 5 also comes with camera control. When you're connected to your phone through Bluetooth, you can take photos or videos on your phone using the Mi Smart Band 5. It also comes with a host of other features to make your life convenient. For example, idle alerts, notification of multiple apps, weather forecast, music control, Find My Phone, and many more. The Mi Smart Band 5 is truly the fitness wearable that will push you to get into the zone and get fitter. To sum it up, let me show you this video.
The all-new Mi Smart Band 5. Its only job to get you in the zone. With its stunning full-touch color AMOLED display, you know everything you need to with a single glance. The new Personal Activity Intelligence, or PI, tells you how physically active you need to be. With a simple score out of 100 based on your personal profile, heart rate, and activities done during the day. With 5 new sports modes, you'll finally know exactly how many calories you burned with any type of workout. It also tracks your stress levels continuously and automatically helps you relax if they get too high. Sleep tracking is now more detailed with sleep cycle analysis, including REM data. And with the all-new magnetic charging and 14-day battery, you don't have to take it off for weeks at a time. Fitness isn't limited by time or space. Fitness only needs your will. The all-new Mi Smart Band 5. Get in the zone.
So to sum it up, the Mi Smart Band 5 has got significant upgrades at both hardware and software levels. In comparison to the Mi Smart Band 4, the Mi Smart Band 5 comes with a 1.1-inch color AMOLED display with a brightness level of 450 nits with 11 workout modes. It comes with magnetic charging for the first time ever. It comes with personal activity intelligence, stress monitoring and guided breathing exercises, improved heart rate monitor, REM sleep monitoring, menstrual cycle tracking, automatic activity detection, and camera control. And now the moment that all of you have been waiting for, the price. The Mi Smart Band 5 is priced at only Rs 2,499. It is going to be available on 1st of October on Mi.com and Amazon.in, and it will soon be available across Mi Homes, Mi Stores and other retail partners. To complement your home workout, we have the perfect partner, the Mi Athleisure shoes. I've been wearing them and it's super light. It comes with a breathable honeycomb mesh design for better air circulation to keep your feet fresh. I've been wearing them all through and I can vouch for their superior comfort. It comes with heel support, shock absorbing EVA sole and perfect grip to enhance your overall experience. It works equally well for home workouts, running, or you can casually wear them all day long. It comes with a super stylish design and 3 color variants with an interesting color contrast play. It also has this great reflective strip with a Mi logo that will make your shoes stand out. Well, enough talking. I think you should take a look at this. So that was the Mi Athleisure shoes. It'll be available for a price of only rupees 1499 and it'll be available for you to buy on mi.com and Mi Homes starting September 29. It's been quite some time since I washed my hands. Call me paranoid. It's not just me. Everyone's washing hands at least 10 times a day. I'm sure you'll all agree with me. We're all paranoid to touch anything. While we can't avoid touching certain things, thank God for something that's contactless. Let me show you what. Introducing the all-new Mi Automatic Soap Dispenser, the most advanced way of washing your hands, hygienic and contactless. It is super easy to set up, takes literally just a minute. No more touching your soap dispenser, all you have to do is this. It is equipped with an intelligent infrared proximity sensor which detects your hand movement and dispenses the liquid soap in less than 0.25 seconds. The elegant design fits in beautifully in your home, whether you decide to keep it in your kitchen or your bathroom. Thanks to the micro motor, it is super silent and efficient. It comes with 300 ml of liquid soap capacity, which gives you up to 375 hand washes. It will make hand washing a lot more fun for the children in the house, who are definitely going to be fascinated by this device, and of course it makes it very convenient for everyone else in the house. It also comes with an on-off touch button on the top in case you want to stop the automatic dispensing in a specific scenario. When you're upgrading to everything more advanced in the house, why be stuck with the traditional soap dispenser? So that was the all-new Mi soap dispenser for you guys. It comes with automatic soap dispensing technology that dispenses soap in less than 0.25 seconds. The 300 ml bottle gives you up to 375 hand washes and it fits in perfectly in your home decor. The all-new Mi automatic soap dispenser will be available for a price of just rupees 999, which is 999, and it comes with a free liquid soap pouch along with it. The availability of the Mi automatic soap dispenser is on your screen.
Hey Raghu, you have a meeting scheduled in 15 minutes.
Okay Google, thanks for the update. I got to rush now, but before I leave, let me call upon your screens Sumit, who will take you to the next big exciting product category that we are getting into.
Thank you Raghu, that was an amazing presentation as always, and I'm quite excited about the Mi Band 5, so much so that I've already given away my Mi Band 4. Hey guys, I am Sumit and I'm here to talk about a brand new category entry which the brand MI is going to make today. I'm here to talk about smart speakers. Now smart speakers have been around us for a while now. We have either owned one or have used one at a friend's house. And any day, any time, whenever somebody has asked me to explain the proposition of a smart speaker, I have always told them that it adds convenience into your life. But quite honestly, if you look back, nothing exciting has happened in the home audio space, especially in the smart speaker space in the recent years. While everyone intended to hand over a smart assistant to you in your house, no one focused on the right sound. Now, if you ask me to summarize the last few years of the smart speaker category, this is how it will actually look. Smart on tech, 100% yes. Smart on sound, a big no. And that's where we actually saw the gap. Not the gap of a smart speaker, but the vacuum which is there in the Indian market space of actually a brilliant sounding smart speaker. As a new product line introduction, we have seen an overwhelming response from our global Mi fans. So much so that because of this love, we are amongst the top 5 players when it comes to smart speakers globally. Now, having seen that confidence and that love which you have shown in the Mi Smart Speaker, we have decided to bring in the Mi Smart Speaker even into the India market, powered by the Google Assistant. So here is the first look of the product, which sounds fantastic. And mind you, you haven't heard anything like this in the smart speaker space before. At the same time, it features a premium metal mesh design. On the top, you will see Aurora inspired voice rings. So whenever you talk to it, it responds to you with those particular light rings. And it comes with all the goodness of Google, which you have always expected from a smart speaker. But before I talk about sound, let me quickly show you how distinctively different the Mi Smart Speaker looks when you compare it with its competition. To maintain a premium yet minimal design, which is also our brand philosophy, the smart speaker features a matte finish metallic mesh which is just 0.7 mm thin and covers the entire speaker. Now you might think, metal and sound, do they actually go hand in hand? And will the metal mesh actually allow the entire sound which is produced by the speaker to transmit outwards without any loss? Actually, yes. The metal mesh which we are using on the Mi Smart Speaker has actually been crafted for it. It features calculated and evenly distributed 10,531 holes which allow that room-filling sound to just pass through, and at the same time obstruct the entry of dust particles, which can be a common issue seeing the placement of home smart speakers. On the top, it features a large voice ring which is actually inspired by the Aurora lights. Now it looks absolutely beautiful whenever you interact with your Mi Smart Speaker. On the top, you will find a large touch panel which allows you to increase or decrease the volume, play or pause your music, and at the same time also allows you to cut off the microphone completely. Now let's talk sound. Like I said earlier, everyone was focused on making a smart speaker available. But literally no one was focusing on making a smart speaker which actually sounds brilliant. And that's where we found this particular gap, and that's what we are going to solve today. The Mi Smart Speaker actually features a massive 12 watt 63.5mm driver, which as per my understanding is one of the biggest drivers used on a smart speaker in the India market. But why actually front firing? See, the thing is that with sound, the speaker alignment is as important as the speaker itself. By keeping a front-firing 12-watt massive woofer, we were able to cover larger areas in a much more defined way with utmost sound clarity. At the same time, it also features two far-field microphones right on the top to hear you loud and clear even when you are in the other room or across the hall. Now, if you remember, our first attempt in the home audio space was with the Mi Soundbar, which with 8 speakers delivered some exceptional room-filling sound and still remains one of the highest rated soundbars on Flipkart.com. In the last 5 years that we have been here, we have worked on multiple audio products in close collaboration with our India-wide Mi fan base to exactly understand the sound signature which they actually prefer. I'm proud to say that we are bringing the exact same sound signature which has been tested, approved and loved by millions of Mi fans, even to the Mi Smart Speaker. Now let's dive deeper. The true-to-life sound on the Mi Smart Speaker is obviously powered by the front-firing 12-watt woofer. But at the same time, on the device, you also get a Texas Instrument Hi-Fi audio processor which helps in decoding the right audio signals which is being sent to the biggest driver. On top of that, you also get the support for DTS audio codec, which helps in processing high-quality audio signals, which goes and transmits itself to the large driver to produce that high-quality room-filling sound. Now you will use this speaker a lot for your music needs, so let's talk connectivity. The Mi Smart Speaker is actually a Wi-Fi smart speaker, and you can control what you play on it using any of your devices, whether it be smartphones, your PCs or even your Macs. There are over thousands of apps which you can subscribe to and start reaping the benefits on the Mi Smart Speaker. Now, while I spoke about it being a Wi-Fi smart speaker, it actually also can double up as a Bluetooth speaker. Now, we have gone ahead and added one more functionality if you are keen on building your own stereo setup. Now, if you are into building your own setups and you are looking at building a right stereo setup, you can actually own 2 Mi Smart Speakers and convert them into a stereo setup for your favorite music or your favorite movies. Now, because the Mi Smart Speaker is powered by the Google Assistant, it seamlessly merges into the Google Home app and works absolutely fantastic with your existing Android or Google Nest devices. Now with the Mi Smart Speaker seamlessly merging into your Google Home app and working along with your Google Nest or Android devices, you can also actually make multi-room music a reality. What you can do is basically place these different speakers in different rooms all across your house, and you can make a single group to control all your music. So basically all your speakers will play the same music without any latency issues across your entire house. And that's multi-room music. Now that we have spoken about the brilliant sounding speaker, let's actually talk smart and see what all different things you can actually do on this nifty piece of tech and why this is such a brilliant gifting option for the upcoming Diwali season. Now you can play music on the Mi Smart Speaker using your favorite apps, whether it be Gaana, Spotify, YouTube Music or even more. Let's try something out. Okay Google, play my favorite music on Gaana.
Sure. Playing your favorite track.
In addition to that, you can ask Google to play your favorite YouTube videos directly on your Mi TV using the Chromecast feature. Not just that, you can also ask your Mi Smart Speaker to show you the Mi Security Camera feed directly on your Mi TV so that you don't have to move away or actually give away the comfort of your couch. In addition to that, you can also control multiple other IoT devices like the Mi Air Purifier just by using your voice. It can also help you in getting your daily news update, and you can use the Mi Smart Speaker to set reminders or even seek help in the kitchen when you are trying out new dishes. The Mi Smart Speaker also, by the way, works with a bunch of third-party smart plugs which you can easily utilize to control your large appliances, whether it be your fridge, whether it be your geyser, or whether it be a small electric kettle. Okay, let's try something out. Okay Google, remind me to switch off the geyser in 15 minutes.
I remind you to turn off the geyser in 15 minutes.
Impressive, right? It doubles up as a Bluetooth speaker. Let's try it out. Okay Google, pair Bluetooth.
To connect a mobile device to your speaker, say pair Bluetooth.
And now you can see the Mi Smart Speaker under the Bluetooth section on your phone and easily connect to it. And by the way, you can also talk to your Mi Smart Speaker in Hindi, making it one of the best family smart speakers which everyone can use. Let's try it out. Okay Google, आज का तापमान बताओ.
आज बेंगलुरु में अधिकतम तापमान 30 और न्यूनतम तापमान 20 की संभावना है.
See, it responds to you in Hindi. So that's the brand new Mi Smart Speaker, our honest attempt to deliver great sound in the smart speaker category, powered by the Google Assistant. With the Mi Smart Speaker, we can assure you that the sound never sounded this smart. So here comes the moment that you all have been waiting for. I know that you have been waiting for the price of the Mi Smart Speaker. So here it goes. In India, the Mi Smart Speaker will be available at a killer pricing of ₹3,999, and it will be available on Mi.com, Flipkart and all our retail partner outlets starting October 1st.
Okay Google, play something nice.
Okay Google, turn on the mood lights.
He finds it easy to criticize, but he's feeling kinda queasy when he wakes up to realize the race is over, you're too late, and you finish last.
Okay Google, turn up the volume.
Increasing the volume. Hey Hira, your video call starts in 10 minutes.
In addition to that, whenever you buy the Mi Smart Speaker, you also get free Gaana Plus subscription for a year. Okay, I have one more exciting product left for all of you guys, but before I do that, let me switch off the lights. Okay Google, lights out. Okay, Google, switch on the bedroom lights. A brand new product requires a brand new setup. Introducing the last product from our Smarter Living 2021 edition. Happy to announce the arrival of Mi Smart LED Bulb White. This is a 7.5 watt B22 bulb which pushes up to 810 lumens at peak brightness, which is at 100%, making it the right and the perfect choice for bedrooms, for studies, and even for your living rooms. Now, because of using a B22 base, which is exactly this, which is common across Indian households, you don't need to attach a converter or even a hub to start using this bulb. This smart bulb can also be paired with the Mi Home app, and you can actually just use a smartphone to increase or decrease the brightness or even switch it on or switch it off. What's also great about the Mi Smart Bulb is that it can seamlessly integrate with the Google Home app or Amazon's Alexa app, and you can just use your voice command to basically adjust the brightness or to switch it on or switch it off. One more important thing to note about the Mi Smart Bulb is that it offers up to 15,000 hours of lifespan. This technically means that even if you use the Mi Smart Bulb for 3 hours regularly, it is going to last you for more than 13 years. This brilliant piece of tech is going to be available starting 29th September on Mi.com and Mi Homes and is priced at just ₹499. So that was the wide portfolio of products which we wanted to announce during Smarter Living 2021. I hope you enjoyed this launch and I hope to see you in the Smarter Living 22 edition as well. Now let me have Manu back on your screens.
So these were the 6 new products that we launched today. Mi Watch Revolve, Mi Band 5, Mi Smart Speakers, Mi Smart Lights, Mi Athleisure Shoes, and the brand new Mi Automatic Soap Dispenser that will be very helpful in current circumstances. So Mi fans, cannot wait for all of you guys to try out these new products, and please do share your feedback with us. With this, signing off, take care, and if you're stepping out, please do take all possible precautions and do wear a mask. Thank you. Namaste.
Wish you had more of you to do it all, but you don't. You just need smart. Choose to live smarter with MI.